in obstetrics and gynecology at the Yale University School of Medicine, New Haven, USA. She has several firsts to her credit, including Southeast Asia's first micromanipulation baby in 1994 and first laser hatching pregnancy in 1999. More recently, she introduced the technique of cumulus-aided transfer for the first time in the world. In 1999, she delivered her 1,000th baby for an infertile couple, prompting the renowned painter M.F. Hussain to do a painting in her honor. She has done pioneering work in the field of stem cell research.
Professor Shivdasani, Professor Shahani, my dear professors, teachers, dignitaries on the dais, colleagues and friends. I am overwhelmed to join you today in this third meet. It's a pleasure and a privilege. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2 years that I spent at Jai Hind, what happy days they were.
Ghani has over 40 years of managerial experience in the chemical industry and has occupied leadership positions in prestigious trade organizations like the Indo-American Society, the Indo-American Chamber of Commerce, the Indian Chemical Manufacturers Association, and the All India Plastic Manufacturers Association. Gentlemen, please welcome Malaika Arora Khan.
Firstly, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Chief Minister. My very, not Chief Minister, what am I saying? Honorable Minister. I am so tongue-tied right now, I cannot even begin to tell you. Because I'm actually shaking and shivering because, well, like Datsab said, he has had many laurels in his life, many happy moments. But by far, this stands out as one of his most happy, his most memorable, cherished for the rest of his life. And I definitely second that because I cannot even begin to tell you how happy I am to be here. Firstly, I'm very fond of him because I think I was quite a bad student. I think I had quite a number of occasions where I didn't have good attendance, etc. And I think Professor Shivdasani was one gentleman who always was there and always stood by me and said, it's all right. You're a good student and I'm sure one fine day you will shine through and you will come through. And I can't help it, I'm just so overwhelmed. And I remember telling her before coming on stage, I said that I can't believe it. Everybody out here is so completely has kind of achieved so much in life, and I think I still have so much to go. I'm still very young. I still have lots more to see, and all I have to say to you students is you are probably part of one of the finest institutions ever.
Yeah. Congratulations. Our next awardee is the chairman of the Sahyog Foundation and has been called the cultural ambassador of the Sindhi community by Mr. Ram Jethmalani. Sunil Latsap has called him the soul of the Sahyog Foundation, which is the non-governmental organization doing yeoman service for the betterment of the underprivileged members of society, irrespective of caste and creed. Many prominent members of society are associated with it, people like Vilas Rao Deshmukh, Sunil Gavaskar, Nana Churasma, Kiran Shantaram, Elish Hiranandani, Sunil Latsap, to name a few. The Sahyog Awards are given every year to a galaxy of eminent personalities from all walks of life. Mr. Ram Javrani is currently pursuing a PhD in Sindhi many years after he graduated from Jai Hind College.
Honorable Shri Sunil Dutt, Mr. Kriplani, Professor Shivdasani, Principal Mr. Shahani। मेरे दोस्तों, किसी भी इंसान को इस बात का इल्म नहीं होता कि उसके जीवन के कौन से पल यादगार पल बन जाएंगे। मेरे जीवन का भी वो वक्त, जिस घड़ी मैंने जय हिंद कॉलेज में एडमिशन ली, वो लम्हे आज भी यादगार है। जय हिंद कॉलेज से न सिर्फ मुझे एजुकेशन मिला, बट कॉलेज ने हमें संवारा, तराशा, संस्कार दिए, आत्मविश्वास दिया, इस काबिल, इस योग्य बनाया कि आज मैं आप सबके सामने हूँ। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Advani is President and Vice Chairman of Blue Star Limited and Chairman of Blue Star Infotech Limited. He completed his Inter Science from Jai Hind College in '64. He holds a double graduate degree in Electrical Engineering and Economics from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Boston, USA. Mr. Advani is a member of the Western Regional Council, Confederation of Indian Industry, and is past president of the Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Manufacturers Association. Under his leadership, Blue Star has become India's largest central air conditioning company. It is also India's largest import distribution house for high technology professional electronic equipment. Blue Star Infotech Limited is a respected player in the global IT service arena. Own lyrics and composed songs himself, he sung as playback singer for a number of movies, including Dil Chahta Hai, Kuch Na Kaho, Jhankar Beats and Kal Ho Na Ho. Jai Hind College is proud of him.
सुनो ना, ख्वाब कोई देखता है, तुम भी सपने बुनो ना, दिल ये मेरा तुमसे कुछ कह रहा है, सुनो ना।
A successful person is one who sees an opportunity in every difficulty. Success is not in the trophy won, but in the race run. All the prominent alumni who have been felicitated today have not only taken part in the race, but have also won the trophy. Thank you all very much for being with us this evening and for making us proud of our alumni.
भारत भाग्य विधाता।